na. Love you guys!
Siguro, bago ako magsimula. Hi!
Hello!
Hello!
Hi!
Handa pa bang makinig? Baka gusto niyo na kasing umuwi eh.
Yes!
Pero despite all that, good evening to my fellow graduates, my schoolmates. Before I will start with my speech, I would like to say to all of you a very big congratulations. Because imagine, despite all those sleepless nights, all those times where you doubted your own capabilities, all those moments when you underwent extreme and heavy self-scrutinization. Scrutinization! You persevered. And yet, here you are. Oh, kalma guys, kalma. Now that you are sitting alongside us, wearing your graduation clothes, having attained the diploma, the certificates, and the medals you worked so hard for this entire school year, and finally, switching your tassels from your left to your right with the power vested in Madam Cora, signifying that you are not only mere students now, you are now graduates of Florida Blanca National Agricultural School. And that, in and of itself, is such a huge achievement. It is such a big accolade, and then there's already so much to be proud of just based off of that. Now I would like to draw all of your attention to the theme of our current graduation ceremony. The theme, Filipino graduates, prepared to lead with competence and character. Ngayon may question ako. Ay, si Joshua may question na naman. Patapos na nga lang. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin when you lead? Some people... Grabe ah. Some people might assume it is on a group setting or on a collaborative context kung saan nakikisama ka sa maraming tao. You serve as their leader, as the main driving force for all of the conundrums that you face, and you're the one that is tasked with the crucial decision making. But I say, we can also apply this personally. May nakakaalala ba ng lesson natin noon sa personal development?
Wala!
Where they assigned film roles to us in our lives. May audience, may scriptwriter, and may director. Now, in our own lives, it would behoove you to ask yourself, in the path that I will take, in the scene that I will act, ako pa rin ba ang director doon? O ako lang ba ang audience? In a sense, when you're driving a vehicle, are you the driver in the path that you choose? Or are you simply a passenger? Kasi, in my time here as a student, I have observed that a lot of people nowadays conform to the common interest. Ay, ang daming pumili dito, ang daming tumatangkilik dito, so dito na ako. Ay, ang daming pumunta rito sa course na to or sa choice na to, so dito na rin ako. But I say, it is our own life to live, our own path that we would take, and our own body that we would control, and our own life to lead. Kasi isipin ninyo, when this graduation ceremony ends, we will go our own separate paths. Some people would probably pursue college or higher level education, which in and of itself has a bunch of choices. And to those people, I would say, you are in the home stretch now. Konting push na lang. Matatapos din kayo. And konting kaway-kaway sa mga gusto rin mag-law, konti na lang din ang dadanasin natin, mga 8 to 10 years. Konti na lang yun, kaya yan. But despite that, other people might pursue college. Some people might go and find some employment opportunities. They'll go straight to the workforce. Some people have a more entrepreneurial mindset and they'll start their own business. Despite whichever of those paths you might choose, ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, sana kayo ang naging director doon. Sana it is the path that you will choose and it is of your own decision. It is out of your own volition, kaya yun ang tinatahak mo. Because it is your own life to lead. And huwag mong hahayaan kahit na marami pang tao ang lumalaban sa iyo, ang kumukontra sa kagustuhan mo. Dapat, kasi nga sabi nila, kung gusto mo, ipaglalaban mo yan.
Tama.
Mahal mo.
Mahal mo.
Pero,
Mahal mo.
with that said, I am not only saying this so you can lead your own life. Remember the entire team to lead with competence and character. How to be competent po? To be competent is to be responsible, to be efficient with the tasks that you are given. Kapag competent ka, you will take the opportunity that has been given to you and you will walk towards it. Kasi opportunity wouldn't come knocking straight at your door, served to you for a silver platter for you to eat all up. Ikaw rin ang magiging dahilan and ang magiging deciding factor kung anong oportunidad ang mapupunta sa iyo. It is out of your own performance. But other than competence, you also have your very own character. Ano nga ba ang pagiging competent mo kung ang character mo ay immoral or you rub off negatively towards others? So dapat when you lead your own life, you lead it with utmost competence, with responsibility, but also with a good character that will always leave a positive impression to the people you come across. And that is the message that I will leave to all of you. And now, sa section ng speech ko na siguro pinakahihintay na ng lahat, to my message of gratitude. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty Father for His never-ending spiritual guidance, wisdom, and accompaniment. Help me persevere throughout this entire school year. Salamat din sa non-teaching personnel. Because despite the teachers being the main face of the school, all of you work behind the scenes. And I would like to say that your service does not go unnoticed because you help and contribute dearly in making this school run like a well-oiled machine. Thank you sa non-teaching personnel, especially sa mga security guard natin, si Mr. Alberto Bacani and si Kuya Melvin. To our teaching personnel, both junior high school departments and senior high school departments, thank you for always sharing your knowledge and wisdom with all of us. Pasensya na po, minsan makulit kami. Pero thank you not only for sharing the knowledge of that field or subject you were assigned to, but also leaving us with valuable and practical life lessons that we will bring with us for a very long time. I want to thank our SSLG advisor, Ma'am Kathleen Jessica Camerino, in directing the SSLG in the programs and activities that we uphold. I want to give thanks to Ma'am Sharinet R. Coronel, our business teacher in our major subjects, in teaching us the ins and outs of business operations. And syempre, yung konting pagchichismisan din, hindi ko rin makakalimutan yun. I want to thank my classmates in grade 12 Romance because kayo ang nakasama ko through these 2 years in senior high school. And the memories that I shared and made with you will stay by my side for more years to come. Pero, ano nga ba ang grade 12 Romance kung wala ang napaka-pogi nilang advisor?
Yara.
Si Sir Ismael Cruz. Thank you for being our secondary father throughout our 2 years here in FNAS. Thank you dahil sinishare mo palagi sa amin ang iyong knowledge and salamat sa iyong walang sawang pagsusuporta sa section namin. Naalala ko pa, pinaglaban niya yung posisyon namin noon sa probability fair no grade 11 namin. And he didn't back down because that's how much he supported and loved us. And look at us, sir. Kaming 3 students ng grade 12 Romance, kumpleto kami. But other than our advisor, obviously, to my close friends. The twins, James and John Michael Tapia. To Pogo, Kurt Jessen Pineda. Aljen May Manasan,
Pogo
Princess
talaga.
Isa Dizon, Rian May de la Cruz, Rian Mariana Jamelia Dizon, Janelle Cruz, and Gifter Ivan De Leon.
Yun.
Thank you for being the critical people that inspired me to keep on going through this school year. At syempre, di ko rin pwede makalimutan ng Powerpuff Girls ng 12 Romance, Regine Ivy Solinap, Sir Biljarin Morilla, Katarian Pintor, and Ginela David. Thank you. Kasi dahil sa inyo, nalaman ko na hindi ako nag-iisa sa academic endeavor na ito at may kasama ako. And to my dear brother na nandun sa likod, thank you po kuya. Pasensya na if minsan distant ako sa inyo. Salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsusuporta po sa akin.
Wala yak.
Thank you to my dear aunts and my dear uncles and my grandparents for their never stopping words of motivation, even if sometimes parang napaka-demotivated ko na and parang ang hirap ko na kausapin. Salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. And to my dear parents, ma, dad, salamat po. Lalo na kay daddy, sorry minsan, maglalagay ako ng tubig, nakakatulugan ko na, hindi ko na nagagawa. Sorry, dahil minsan makulit akong anak, matigas po ulo ko. Pasensya na po. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang paggabay sa akin, sa pang-araw-araw, sa pagbigay sa akin ng baon ko, and sa pagsuporta sa akin sa endeavors ko po. Salamat po. To our dear Vocational School Administrator, Madam Cora T. Soriano, working her role as the main leader and the main driving force of both the faculty and the non-faculty staff of FNAS. Thank you for leading all of us so we can learn more and share our wisdom with others and develop and grow more as a person. To our SHS focal person, Sir Curtis A. Sef Garcia, even despite our short-lived moment together as a teacher, coach, and student nung CFOT sa impromptu speaking, thank you for teaching me the intricacies of how to publicly speak in front of people. Thank you for being the key of how I can work better as my role in public speaking. Salamat po. And also, I just want to say that it is such a big honor na na-share ko ang thoughts ko and ang emotions ko po sa inyo pong lahat. Salamat po. Salamat din po sa pakikinig ninyo. Kahit na alam ko that I'm talking your ear off now. And once again, this is Joshua Henry H. Bondoc of Grade 12 Romance. Ay, bago ko makalimutan, salamat din sa kasama ko sa journalism. Si Melissa Embo, Micaela Jane Manzan, Wesa Miguel Mariano, Mary Joy Isla, Patrice Shane Dagal, Dean Maurice Pagsalingan, and Rich Nicole David, Lorraine Ladrillo, and Dihan Marisi. Salamat sa inyo. Because throughout our journalism seasons, kayo ang nakakasama ko, kayo ang nakakaantabay ko. Thank you for your guidance and your support. And I've learned so much from you through that 3 years that we've competed. And once again, salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pakikinig ninyo. This is Joshua Henry H. Bondoc of Grade 12 Romance. Once again saying that you must lead your own life as Filipino graduates, full with competence,